welcome back to the channel. We're back in another lockdown. Whole of the UK, we've been this way since sort of Christmas time, but we thought we'd have a quick go at improving the workshop a bit more. Something we've always sort of wanted is almost like a quarter pipe, just something to have a mess around on. In the summer, we can have a few mates around and stuff like that. Hopefully we can just have a little session. Yeah, it'd just be quite fun to have a sort of quarter pipe in there, so we thought we'd have a go. We've got the space. Yeah, this video we're going to be showing you how you can make a quarter pipe, or if you don't want to make one yourself, you can just sort of watch us and yeah, see the process. Really should be fun. So sort of first off, we've got to sort of make the area, work out what we're going to do with it. So we think we're going to put it along this back wall here. It's not going to be like a massive one, it's just going to be, what's it, like 2 foot high or something like that, just to sort of have a bit of fun on really. We've got this whole room, everything sort of moves out of the way on wheels, including the big table as well. The only problem we do have in this room is we do have these little beads that come off the base, so we just have to make sure we sweep up before we ride, but yeah, it shouldn't be a problem. I think we're going to move all of these templates out of the way. So these ones are all our old templates, so we can sort of store them out of the way now. We've sort of fully moved over to the new shapes. So yeah, we just need to find a new home for these, move them out of the way, and move all this stuff up. And yeah, the ramp should sort of fit in quite nicely there, not getting in the way of sort of any of our sort of day-to-day stuff. And yeah, nice sort of big enough room. I mean, I think we can get enough speed, sort of coming up here, a few pushes, and then yeah, some tricks are there. But let's get on with the ramp. So I think the first step, we're going to draw up a sort of shape digitally on the computer, and then we'll print off a template and we'll lay that over some sort of MDF. And then we'll spray glue it down, and then we'll cut it out. Hopefully we should be able to get the other side on this piece as well, so hopefully we can yeah, save some wood. Yeah, so we've sort of made the space sort of there. Obviously we need to move some of those shelves up, but that won't take us too long. So yeah, we can now sort of get on with working out dimensions and how big we can sort of get it really. We were planning to go to about 8 foot, which I think is just about here, so we might have to trim it a little bit shorter. Alright, yeah, so we're back. We've cut all of the sort of main shape pieces. We just use the other ones to sort of as a template for the other ones around it, and then we've cut these pieces here. These are just some like leftover offcuts of the wood we use for the snowboard, so it's poplar planks. And what we're going to do is sort of build the frame up, screw it all into place, and obviously a few of these on each side, and then we just need to get some plywood, and I think that should sort of do it. Obviously there's going to be a lot of supports under there, so hopefully it doesn't break or snap or anything like that. And then maybe we'll go for something a little bit more sturdy on the top. But yeah, I mean, we're not really going to be standing on the top. It's not like you can drop into anything. But yeah, it's just a bit of sort of support so you can sort of go up on top and then get back in. So yeah, we'll get building. You might need some thicker ply than that. Yeah, a few issues getting this in the car. Had to get it cut twice because we didn't measure the car.
So we've not got much space, but
yeah.
this is the test run.
Was it worth the 50 quid? And we need to put a bit of metal on it, 'cause it's not quite even, so I think we might steal it.
Well, I plan on painting the walls as well and making it like actually look nice.
Maybe quite up to the top. That's solid.
Oh, that's fine.
Solid. I'm not very good at skateboarding, so that's why I kind of built it to try and learn. But oh god. But if I die, I can't make these boards. Whew. Maybe I think we need some kind of boost here so we can. The melt this floor is still quite slippy despite the paint, but yeah, it's not bad. Right, so yeah, it's sort of done. It's a bit sort of bodged still. I'll probably clean it up at some point. I think we're going to clean this whole room up. I think this next project is sort of, obviously, I don't know if we showed you the video of that room we painted, but we're going to sort of do something in here, make it kind of cool, get rid of all these little bits. We don't really use those anymore. Yeah, just subscribe, and then George, 10p per subscription, because that's his wage. If you know 10 people, that's £1 for George.
Please, I need this.
That's a hash brown from McDonald's. But yeah, so we'll probably clean this room up at some point, and we're probably going to put some kind of coping on it. And it's still a little bit, it's like placing down and screwing into the wall and stuff like that, so we'll sort it out at some point. But I mean, I'm fairly busy at the moment, as you can probably tell. Look at it, we're making all this, but we've got loads of like split boards going out. Obviously the snow in Scotland's crazy, so we've got one out of the press. So yeah, this one's ready to sort of be cut up and sort of finished. Yeah, subscribe. We'll do some more stuff. We'll probably go back to sort of more snowboard based content. Yeah, hopefully you've had a good sort of winter. I know we've all been locked down. Not many people can get out and ride unless you're like in Scotland, or you had enough snow to actually get out walking up the hills. We saw a few photos of that, and it was yeah, awesome to see. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Just thought I'd quickly pop on. We've got the hoodies. There's only a few of these left. These are limited edition, so once they're gone, we won't be doing them again in this colour. So if you like this colour, get on there quick. Silk screen printed in the UK. It's all vegan, eco-friendly inks and stuff like that. So yeah, make sure you go cop one.